happens when you put the unruly boss, international star Ivy Lane, and a few more stars on a music video set. Woyoy!
Port Antonio, Portland is the location for this video shoot. Ivy Lane featuring Popcaan, One You Love.
Since Popcaan is on the record, we thought it was absolutely necessary to shoot the video in Jamaica to give the song an extra feeling, you know?
Can you describe the song for me a little bit?
Well, it's about love. It's every girl that wants to be the one you love, so it's love, always.
And Popcaan's featured on this song. Tell us why you decided to feature Popcaan.
Because he fit this record so well, and when he heard the record and he absolutely loved it, so what else could we do? It's like amazing.
Portland with it. Mental day for the Popcaan new video shoot. You know it's in good. Wagwan.
How the video shoot look for you?
Yo, it's crowded, it's loud.
How are you enjoying it?
It's good. Like, we're really doing this video on me though.
What's the vibe like? What are you thinking about the video? So you've been on many video shoots so far. What do you think about this one?
I mean, this one is pretty hard. It's very cool because I get to come home, like I'm in Jamaica right now.
You know, we're there to bring it and shell it again.
Popcaan then, so you like how the song come out?
Yeah man, the song turn up. And roll it.
Good luck, yeah?
Alright.
You're part of the production team on this song?
Yes, One You Love, Popcaan.
We see the foreign works we are going on. We know you have some classical dancehall rhythms and projects, so when we can look for the return to some hardcore material from Snow Cone.
No, dancehall are the only way. Not else way not there. So I just do the work and I'm ready, man.
Featuring Popcaan. This one is bound to be the one you love.